LU factorization. Okay, there are three equations given, so we have to find the value of x1, x2 and x3 using LU factorization. So the step 1 is, first we have to find the matrix out of this. Okay, in step 1 the equation is Ax equals to B. Okay, for A matrix just write the coefficient of x1, x2 and x3 like 8 minus 3 2. Similarly for second equation 4 11 minus 1, and for third equation 6 3 and 12. Okay, our x will be x1, x2 and x3, and our b will be 20 33 and 36. Okay, in step 2 Ax equals to B. Now we have to replace the matrix A with L and U. L and U are nothing but the submatrix. So L matrix, in L matrix you have to remember that the upper triangle will be 0. Okay, and in for U matrix your diagonal will be 1 and lower triangle will be 0. L, we know that L and U equals to A, so L into U equals to A matrix. Now we have to do the multiplication of L1 and L and U. So just cross multiply row and column. L1 into 1 equals to 8. Okay, now the row with second column. So for second column it will be L11 into U12 equals to minus 3. So just replace the value of L11 equals to, that is 8. Now we'll get the value of U12, that is minus 3 by 8. Similarly for third column it will be L11 into U13 equals to 2. Now replace the value of L11, that is 8. Now we'll get the value of U13, that is 1 by 4. Similarly you can find the value of L21, L22, L31, L32 and L33. Okay, these are the values which I have got. Now your L matrix will be this and U will be this. Okay, in step 3 here we have replaced A with LU. Now what we are doing, just replace UX with Y. So our equation will be Ly equals to B. Okay, we know our L matrix, that is 8 0 0 4 25 by 2 0 6 21 by 4 5 67 by 50. This is our Y and B. Okay, now you have to form the equation. So the first equation will be 8y1, that equals to 20. So y1 value will be 20 by 8, that is 5 by 2. So now second equation is this. So 4y1 plus 25 by 2 y2 equals to 33. Now put the value of y1, that is 5 by 2 y, and 25 by 2 y2, that is equals to 23. So our y2 will be 46 by 25. Similarly for y3, third equation 6y1 plus 21 by 4 y2 plus 567 by 50 y3 equals to 36. Now put the value of y1, that is 5 by 2, y2 46 by 25, and just find the value of y3. y3 will be 1. In step 4 ux equals to y. Okay, so now we have to find the value of x here. So just write the U matrix, that is 1 minus 3 by 8, 1 by 4, 0 1 minus 4 by 25, 0 0 1. This is unknown x1, x2 and x3, and we have got our y1, y2, y3 values. So just put the values of y1, y2 and y3 here. Okay, similarly we can find the value of x3, x2 and x1 as we have found the value of y1, y2, y3. So your x3 equals to 1, and x2 will be x2 minus 4 by 25, x3 equals to 46 by 25. So just solve this and you will get x2 equals to 2. Similarly for x1, equation will be x1 minus 3 by 8 x2 plus 1 by 4 x3 equals to 5 by 2. Okay, just put the value of x2 here and x3 here. You will get the value of x1, that is 3. So the value of x1, x2 and x3 are 3, 2 and 1. So this is our answer. Thank you.